Introducing the all-new dual fuel range by Bluestar. This range is available in 1,000 exterior colors with 10 trim options, making it completely customizable. The color combination shown is all stainless, with 2 stainless pro-style handles, along with 2 large black glass viewing windows and the signature Bluestar logo. On the control panel are 8 stainless knobs with LED indicators and a tilting 7-inch full-color glass touchscreen that allows for easier viewing. It has 8 baking modes that feature quick start cooking, which allows you to simply select your desired cooking mode and start. The range top consists of 4 cast iron grates and 8 8-point designed sealed burners with 152 heat ports and a 20-inch circumference to ensure even heating across any size or style of cookware. Burner output highs consist of 4 18,000 and 4 25,000 BTU power burners for a total of 172,000 BTUs, making it the highest overall BTU output in its range class to date. All 8 burners have the ability to sear, saute, simmer, and warm. The 5.1 cubic foot main oven is large enough to accommodate several 18 by 26 inch chef's pans. Both the 5.1 and 2.7 cubic foot ovens come with 2 True Glide racks, 1 flat rack, 5 rack positions, halogen lighting, a glass bottom floor, and a convection fan. The larger oven also comes with a broiler and probe outlet. To learn more about ranges, check us out at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.